Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Haft here. I'm over in Baraboo for the steam show. It's an amazing place. Get a chance sometime, check it out. It's also going on this weekend too. Now this here is interesting. It's kind of like, reminds me of like a half track, because you have tracks and then you have wheels in front, steering in that. It's got the old hand crank on it. It's very old. It'd be a liar if I said. There's an old Rumley. They had unique design with this front part here. It's old. You can tell by the steel wheels and everything on there. There's another real old Rumley. Oh, they stick out on the sides of the wheel. I don't know how many people got gouged by that. Not while it's running, but just bumping up against it. But I bet you gets hell of a good traction. Here's another. This one's IHC, the International Harvester. I've never seen one of these Titans before. That's why I like it. When I come to shows, I see different and unique things. This one's right in there. Tight 10 to 20. I don't know if they made those from 1910 to 1920 or. Howdy. This one's a Huber. You don't see a lot of those either. That one's interesting on the bottom down there. Oh, it's got that frame on it. Kind of goes back. Tin back and the seat. It's like, where's the seat pad? And this one here is really nice too. It's a big one. This is like original condition. I think this. Oh, International Harvester Mogul. Okay, that's interesting. What's interesting is this is going out, the water comes out and then flows down there. I'd be a liar if I said. It'd be a good way to tell if it was getting hot, the water. Look at that heavy duty construction on this thing. Built to last. I mean, it's big heavy duty steel frame construction. This is interesting how they have the fans sticking out like that. It's an old one too, with the old ever-present steel wheels. The size of the engine. I believe this could be like an early diesel tractor. And there's the Corvair van. And this is an Altman Taylor. Somebody brought a lot of real super cool tractors into the show this year. And this is a hard par. Look at the size of the clutch on it on the side. You know, change steering and stuff like that. Yeah, it's just got one. Oh, it does have 2 gears in there that run that on the hub. And that's you could put oil inside these here to lubricate the front wheels. This is one of the best selections I've seen of these old tractors. What model is this one? It's got the exposed valve springs. What model is this tractor? You know what brand or? It's interesting how it has the galvanized on the cab. It's like a handmade cab.
Do I have to shut it down?
There's the Eagle. Are they having a tractor parade today?
Every day at 2.
That's a man-sized wheel for a man-sized job. He's got to get it on the compression stroke, right? Not everyone can do it, folks. It's interesting how they grease these the rocker arms on here. They're exposed, they're not in oil bath. I was talking about valve springs. Oh, that's how you start that thing? That's interesting how he's got that. It almost looks like a pipe threader.
Where it's at. You hear the gasket. Yep. Then you're coming up on top of that center. And it might turn out. So then I'm going to pull it across to give it. Maybe it's just not getting out. Don't have. And that way, don't be in a hurry to get
All his hard work, he got it started.
What's that?
I said, all your hard work, you got it started. What does that thing do?
What?
What does that do?
That's the oil that goes to all the bearings.
Oh, my bad. The way that's set up, that won't kick back, will it?
So can.
Your turn.
That one got that one got 1.5
Okay, we got some really cool stuff. It's fun watching those guys trying to get that one started. You guys, he's got a long sleeve shirt on too. Okay, it's hot here in Wisconsin. That Pioneer, that's a big one. Look at how tall those wheels are. Those got to be, I don't know, 10, 12 feet high. I'm closer to 12 maybe. You don't see a lot of Pioneers. Here's kind of a fun little one. I couldn't do this without doing this because these guys are a couple guys I've met before. This is the Mighty M, folks, the Farmall. Yeah. The way he's got to shift his tools, he's got the suspension in there, he's got a Detroit diesel put into this. Yep, it's got the dual can-in air filters with the exhaust. You can either go straight up or out the side. It's in there, the two intakes. Cool machine. This one here is kind of cool too because this is a transport engine. This is a car engine. This is a big block Ford with a blower on it and two 4-barrels. And there's antique shop hands. I want to grab some of these other ones down here that are just kind of like of this world. Okay. When they say GM diesel, folks, it's a Detroit. I don't know if that one did or not. I didn't look that close. So much stuff to look at. Cool, the wheels painted and stuff. This one too. Twin City it says on there. I don't know what that actually means. This is the big 4. The giant horse it says on there. Gas Traction Company, Minneapolis, Minnesota. The big 4, I love that. Gas Traction Company, Minneapolis. There's another big one. This is MTMC Company. Minneapolis Farm Motor Washing Machine Company. It's cool. What's interesting with this one is all those copper lines up there, huh? Is this yours? It's a cool tractor. It's interesting how they have the radiator and stuff on the side. There's your clutch setup and stuff. It's off there. It's really interesting. Okay. Smart plugs though, maybe it isn't. Alright folks, there's a cool set of tractors. I don't know if they got this thing running or not yet. Sleep people over here. Oh, I guess they did. Alright, thanks folks.